After the Prime Minister questioned Mamata Banerjee's seasonal Shraddha and AMM chief Asaduddin Owaisi attacked her for ignoring those without a genuine go through, the TMC chief today made a poll pitch to the minority community this time. She appealed to Muslims to vote for the TMC as a bloc and ensure at least 200 seats for her party to keep the BJP out.
মাথা ঠান্ডা করে কাজ করবেন। হায়দ্রাবাদ থেকে একটা বিজেপির গাই এসছে এবং ওইটা টাকা নিয়েছে বিজেপির থেকে এবং সেটা ফুরফুরা শরীফের কেউ নয়, ওদের একটা বাচাল ছেলে আছে, সেই ছেলেটাকে নিয়ে টাকা দিয়ে সংখ্যালঘুদের ভোট ভাগ করবার চেষ্টা করছে। একটা ভোটও সংখ্যালঘু ভাগ করবেন না, তপশিলীরা ভাগ করবেন না, আদিবাসীরা ভাগ করবেন না, সাধারণ মানুষ ভাগ করবেন না। যতই ভয় দেখাক গিয়ে কুরকুর করে বলবে ওরে ওরা তো মুসলমান, তুই তো হিন্দু, ভোটটা দিবি না। তো মমতা ব্যানার্জি কি হিন্দু না মুসলমান? এই করে করে আমার 200 বেশি চাই, 200 কম হলে ওরা গদ্দারদের কিনে নেবে। এই গদ্দারদের টাকা দিয়ে কিনে নিয়েছে, ওই গদ্দারদের কিনে নেবে।
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Sanju Verma, national spokesperson of BJP, continues with us, as does Professor Manojit Mandal, member of the TMC. Tausif Ahmed, advocate, is joining us live, as does MC Abbas, a political analyst. Let me start by asking you, Professor Mandal, when you ask Muslims to vote for you as a bloc, is it not a communal appeal? Can you deny it as a communal appeal?
I've answered the question. I mean, why? First of all, she was addressing all communities, minority, tribal, SC, STs, Hindus, common people, all. Please, again, I would say the same thing, rewind the tapes and you'll understand. She was not talking about any particular community. That is not our politics. That is the politics of one particular political party in this country. That is the BJP. They only
okay, let's go around the table and take everyone's opinion on this. MC Abbas, was she reaching out to Hindus, Muslims, citizens of the world, Americans?
Goes to
everyone. Who was she reaching out? MC Abbas, yes. Who was she reaching out?
The very fact that the Mandal Sahab, Professor Sahab, the very fact that Mamata Banerjee says, don't fall for a Hyderabad party. We know what you're referring to. We are not to do. It's absolutely wrong to say that. And let me update you. It is not just Hyderabad party. This party is also in Bihar with 5 MLAs. This party is also in Maharashtra with an MP from Aurangabad, Imtiaz Jalil. So therefore, इनको मोहल्ले का लीडर मत बनाओ. असदुद्दीन ओवैसी साहब बहुत आगे बढ़ रहे हैं और देखते जाओ. In this democracy, respected individual, an Indian citizen, has a right to contest from Kashmir to Kanyakumari in any elections, be it a council election, legislative election, or the Lok Sabha election.
Do you think that she was appealing to Muslims, yes or no?
Of course she was appealing to Muslims. Of course she was telling this particular...
Okay, MC Abbas thinks she was appealing to Muslims. Let's ask Waris Pathan of the IMIM. Waris Pathan, Mamata Banerjee says that Muslims should vote in a bloc and give 200 seats. Professor Manojit Mandal of TMC says it's not a communal appeal. It's not an appeal to Muslims alone. Waris Pathan, what do you think?
Well, Mamata Banerjee is frustrated, which is evident from the words she is speaking. And the frustration and tension can very well be seen because since the day Asad Owaisi has declared that we will be contesting election in West Bengal, she has started giving names like calling us B team, C team, taking money. All these are baseless and false allegations, which is due to her frustration. See, I would like the nation to know what is Mamata did. She earlier praised the RSS. She called them Desh Premi. In the year 2002, when the entire country was criticizing the Gujarat program, she supported the BJP in the Lok Sabha. Now also she is playing the politics of majoritarianism, communalism and polarization.
Okay.
She wants to appease the upper caste. That is why she said, my Gotra is Shandelia. If your Gotra is Shandelia, okay, very good. Then why do you ask the Muslims to vote for you? What about those 27% Muslims and 22% Dalits who don't have Gotra? Then why do you ask for their votes?
Okay. And more importantly, Tausif Ahmed, decide where do you want to stand. You cannot swing between being a Shandelia Gotra one day and the savior of Muslims the next.
Well, absolutely right. The Muslims and the
Brilliant.
are very much intelligent.
This politics of communalism. No. Allow me to speak. Since BJP does this communal politics, it sees all other political parties with the same prism. And BJP wants all other political parties to do the same communal politics. We have heard the speech of Mamata Banerjee. She is making a general appeal to the backward classes, to the scheduled tribe, to the scheduled caste, and also to the minorities. Out of that, you have only chosen to talk about minorities. Why do you not want to talk about scheduled caste and scheduled tribe? Mamata Banerjee, in that same sentence, she is also appealing to the backward tribe.
Sanju
She is also
Verma.
appealing to the scheduled tribe. Because that's
Let me make my point.
Mathura community today.
So when she's talking about Furfura Sharif and she's talking about that party from Hyderabad, she is referring to the Jains or the Sikhs because they generally vote for Furfura Sharif. Anyhow, go on. Yes, Sanju Verma.
When she referred to Hyderabad,
May I make a point?
because Hyderabad has made
Padmaja,
a
this
way
is
for
unfair.
the
You know,
Mamata
you have to ask
Banerjee-
these men to keep quiet. I've been listening to them. This is not done.
Yes, she has been listening to you. So please let her speak now. Yes, go on, Sanju Verma.
Okay. Padmaja, I just want to say one thing. You know, an appeaser is one who feeds a crocodile thinking the crocodile will eat him last. And Mamata Banerjee, you know, her sins have come home to roost. The fact of the matter is that the BJP has a stated policy of justice for all, appeasement of none. And Waris Pathan, let me tell you, you have no business taking the high moral ground here. Though, of course, you're speaking against the TMC. Let me remind you, your
why should I not take the high-speed moral ground?
prized possession,
The
his
BJP
younger
and the
brother
TMC
Akbaruddin
are
Owaisi.
two sides of the
What
same
did he say in
coin.
2013?
Sanju Verma,
मुझे
you
15
are the
मिनट
same
बिना
but
पुलिस के
same
अकेले
coin.
छोड़ दो,
You
100
are playing
करोड़
politics
हिंदुओं
of
को मार
polarization,
डालेंगे,
politics of
100 करोड़
majoritarianism,
हिंदुओं को मार
politics of
डालेंगे,
divisiveness,
सिर्फ 15
and
मिनट
politics of
चाहिए
hatred.
बिना
What
पुलिस
is there?
के.
People
So
of the
stop
country are
coming on
watching you
national
every day.
television and
There's
giving
a
a
competition
bhashan.
going
You
on.
are a
Sanju Verma, that
communal
who is a bigger
entity.
Hindu?
Now coming
Modi
to the
says I am a
Trinamool
bigger Hindu.
Congress.
Rahul Gandhi says I am a Janagaru. Now
Padmaja
Mamata
has
Banerjee
realized
says that she is
some
different
people
कर रहे थे,
that
अभी नाटक
they-
चल रहा है।
Mamata Banerjee
They are
is
Polarization,
going to be
politics.
the prophets and the upper
by
caste.
the electorate.
It is not so.
There is nothing that has been done by way of development. As Amit Shah keeps repeating,
Is Modi speaking about
Tolabazi,
development?
Jatiwad,
Is Modi speaking
syndicate
about
Raj,
when he'll
Katmali
provide the
Raj,
jobs to the youth who have lost
Bhatijawadi.
it? Is
This
Modi
is
speaking
what
about that? Is
Trinamool
Modi talking about
Congress
development?
epitomizes
Never. We have not
today.
heard.
A
The
party
entire
that
election
can
is past. We
actually
have never heard Modi
embezzle
speaking about
funds
development
for the
or about the
Amphan
prices
cyclone.
which are rising
If
in
they can
petrol,
go down
diesel
to
and gas.
that level,
Modi is
Okay.
not talking
more
about
can you
that.
expect?
Modi does
Today
not have a
this
policy
lady
to provide
is
jobs
on a
to the youth
wheelchair.
who have lost it because
If
of
You know,
the
Professor Mandal, to seek the votes of every community is great. That is what should happen in a democracy. But to make a pointed appeal based on religion is a communal appeal.
Polarization.
Let's be very clear. To say that वो हैदराबाद पार्टी की मत मानो, वो हुगली से आदमी आया है उसकी बात मत मानो, तुम मेरे को सब लोग वोट दो और 200 सीटें. Why was the mention of 200 seats? Because you are looking at one communities as a vote bank.
Let's
not
make it.
get
Why
Let's
will
make
Mamata
it-
Banerjee not appeal for votes?
In
Why will
2019,
Just a second. Let him answer now. Let him answer.
7 times.
Let's
To
make
say
it clear
everyone
who
should vote for
conducts
me
the debate. Am
is
I
a
allowed
great
to
thing.
speak for
But
my
on one
party?
day to say Brahmins should vote for me and on the second day to say that Muslims should vote for me, both days you are communal.
Decide, Miss Padmaja, first decide if I am allowed to speak uninterruptedly.
Yes,
or
you
your
are.
partners will come in and disturb me. You have a compulsive heckler, right? If the fact remains that again you see, that's why we say now, learn the language, learn the culture of Bengal. She did not talk about Muslim, talks about minority, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, Hindu.
Sir, it's very easy. It's very easy to become parochial
No, that
on the
you
first
learn the
opportunity and say
language, culture of
कि तुम
Bengal.
लोगों को language
Don't
समझ
we
में नहीं
call
आती, so you
all
have
of you
misunderstood.
outsiders the BJP?
You, with due respect,
That's the
have been on
simple
panels
reason.
with Bengali
You don't
speaking
know the
leaders
language,
of other
don't
parties
understand, don't try
who have
to.
said very clearly that she is referring to one
Now you
community.
have- Now, since I have exposed you.
No,
then
you
it
haven't
is
exposed me for
your
nothing.
selective
Zabardasti, you
choice
haven't
of
exposed
Mamata's
me.
speech.
Why
But
are you
you're not
claiming
even
victory
talking
out of
about
hand?
Muslim, talking
Just a
about
second.
minority.
Let's play out
Scheduled
again.
caste, scheduled
Let's
tribe.
play out again what Mamata Banerjee said and maybe get another Bengali speaking person to translate it. Let's play out what Mamata Banerjee has said. Just a second. Because you can't offhand say I have exposed you. Who certified? Who certified this? Let's play Mamata Banerjee again.
মাথা ঠান্ডা করে কাজ করবেন। হায়দ্রাবাদ থেকে একটা বিজেপির গাই এসছে এবং ওইটা টাকা নিয়েছে বিজেপির থেকে এবং সেটা ফুরফুরা শরীফের কেউ নয়, ওদের একটা বাচাল ছেলে আছে, সেই ছেলেটাকে নিয়ে টাকা দিয়ে সংখ্যালঘুদের ভোট ভাগ করবার চেষ্টা করছে। একটা ভোটও সংখ্যালঘু ভাগ করবেন না, তপশিলীরা ভাগ করবেন না, আদিবাসীরা ভাগ করবেন না, সাধারণ মানুষ ভাগ করবেন না। যতই ভয় দেখাক, গিয়ে কুরকুর করে বলবে ওরে ওরা তো মুসলমান, তুই তো হিন্দু, ভোটটা দিবি না। তো মমতা ব্যানার্জি কি হিন্দু না মুসলমান? এই করে করে আমার 200 বেশি চাই, 200 কম হলে ওরা গদ্দারদের কিনে নেবে। এই গদ্দারদের টাকা দিয়ে কিনে নিয়েছে, ওই গদ্দারদের কিনে নেবে।
That man from Furfura Sharif comes and tries to divide your votes. Whose votes is Furfura Sharif trying to divide, sir?
So did you? No. Did you
No,
understand?
answer.
Did you understand? Let me translate.
I understood.
Let me
I said
translate.
you
No,
understand.
first you understand a speech.
I understand
Minority,
Bengali, so don't try to pull
tribal,
a fast one.
SC,
No.
and general people. That is
No,
that
she
is
did
the
not say
crux
that.
of the
Answer my
dialogue.
question.
Understand
When
me,
she
madam?
said
I'm
that
trying
he
to
will come,
translate
Furfura
for
Sharif
you.
will come and
Fast
divide
in
your votes.
translation.
Whose
Minority,
votes is she talking
SC,
about?
ST and
Like
the
BJP.
general people.
Okay. Sanju Verma says she understands Bengali. She will translate. Go on, Sanju Verma. Go on.
Tries to
Mamta Banerjee
divide.
is appealing the
This is very convenient selective interpretation. Just a second, sir. Now you've had your say and your interpretation. Let Sanju Verma now translate. Yes, go on, Sanju Verma.
Language, our culture, and you try to occupy our land. You try to grab
Let
our
me tell you, you know, this whole campaign of Mamata Banerjee and Trinamool Congress has been centered around the fact that Bangla Nijer mein chahe. Let me tell you, Bangla unnoti chahe, development chahe, bikash chahe, Mamata Didi noy. Mamata Didi
That
leader
much
হিসেবে
Bengali,
ব্যর্থ।
you could understand
Get
that
loud and
because of
clear.
Mamta Di.
And BJP
Only
এবার
that much.
200
That
বেশি
much you
সিট
could
জিতবে।
understand. Look how
BJP
popular
এবার
it is.
200
You have
বেশি সিট
proven that
জিতবে।
it is such
So
a
stop
popular
crying and
slogan.
pulling a wool over people's eyes.
Thank you, Miss BJP
Mamata Banerjee
spokesperson.
is
You
rattled.
have again
She
proven
understands
that what
West
kind of
Bengal,
popularity Mamta Di slogan has
Muslims
achieved.
account for
Bangla,
27% of the
Nijer,
total
Make
population.
Chai. Even you
She's
had
scared
to chant
that the
this
island
slogan. Yes,
will eat into
Bangla,
those
Nijer,
votes.
Make Chai.
The Hindus
We
will never
want
vote for Mamata
Bengal's
Banerjee
daughter only.
after what she did
You
to them,
also want
changing
Bengal's daughter.
Ramdhenu into
You also
Rangabenu
want
and
Bengal's
Ramnavami
daughter,
into Ranganavami.
right? Because you
So
have
she's
nobody
now
to compete with
resorted
Mamta
to
Di.
blatant
You have none to
appeasement.
compete with
She's
Mamta Di. That's
asking
why you
Muslims
also
to
know
vote
you
for
also
her
want Bengal,
so that she can
Bengal's own
get more
daughter.
than 200 seats and storm to power. But that's not happening.
I compliment
That
you for
ain't
understanding at least
happening.
this much of Bangla. This much of Bangla, you could understand that Bangla Nijer Make Chai. Bengal wants
understand
its
a lot
own daughter.
more than you give me
Indeed
credit
so.
for.
And it's such a
आपकी
great
समझ से
pleasure to
बाहर है
hear
कि
it
मुझे
from you,
क्या-क्या समझ में
BJP.
आता है।
Okay, you know, since you're so happy that Sanju Verma is also chanting the slogan that Bengal wants its own daughter, let me remind you that there are over 24 Bengal's daughters which have also been fielded by the BJP. There are also a dozen Bengal's daughters who have been fielded by the Left Congress and the ISF combined. So yes, Bengal, I hope, elects Bengal's daughter because everyone wants a woman in a seat of power, but that doesn't necessarily mean Mamta Banerjee. Anyhow, good luck to all of the political parties. For the time being, thank you very much, all gentlemen, Sanju Verma, for having joined me. I will see you on Monday.
The News Hour at 10 will be right back after the break.